Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. Well, I'm going to call this week Paper Week. And today's prep is talking about paper towels. Now, a lot of you are going to go, well, I stocked up a bunch and I still got a bunch out there and I don't need to buy any more for a year. Cool. Why do you have just 1 year's supply? I got several years supply of paper towels because you never can tell when you're going to lose water. And if you lose water, then it doesn't do you any good. Oh, I don't have it here to grab it. It doesn't do you any good if you have a whole bunch of these and you can't wash them. Alright, that's where having paper towels in handy to clean up messes. And there are certain messes you don't want to use one of these on. You'd rather use paper towels. Now, if you saw any of the videos over on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, for the weight loss challenge where I was working on the Gazelle, greasing up the fittings on it and stuff and cleaning the WD-40 off of it and everything else, I would never use one of these to do that. I used paper towels because after I got it all cleaned up, it's gone. I don't have to worry about washing it. So paper towels is one of those things that you need to have that has specific uses that you don't want to use other towels or shop rags or anything for. You just, there's certain things you just, you want to be able to dispose of it. The neat thing about using the paper towels for cleaning up oils and greases and stuff, I can save those paper towels and use them as a fire starter for my wood burning stove as well. So hey, there's a bonus right there. So remember, add paper towels to your supply because you want to have plenty of supplies for just in case. You never know what's going to happen and where you might need them. Alrighty, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link up to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I got a couple playlists over there, the emergency playlist, the how-to playlist, on doing stuff for emergency preparedness. I'll put that link right here. Then I'll put the link to the prepping for beginners up here and the prepping in private down here. And you can share those out for people so they get prepared. Alright? Remember, you need to take care of getting yourself prepared.